Okay, so I ordered this from Temu, I should say, sorry. It is a USP toy gun. They said it could shoot like 30 feet. Nah, it doesn't do that. It's not the greatest. I got a little shooting range here, and those stairs are probably 5 feet, and I got another 5 feet probably to the bottom of the stairs here, and so that's about 10 feet. So we're gonna see if we can hit any of these cans with this thing. It's a soft bullet, self-ejecting USP toy gun that I got for like $13 and $3 shipping, so like 16 total. But yeah, here we go. Oh, see, it already jammed up on me. Okay. Oh, did I just do what I think it did? Let's see here. Yeah, okay. See, it's kind of a gamble. This thing doesn't really work that great here. I'm gonna fix this up a little bit. I got some extra bullets here. 1 second. Alright, let's load it up. Slide the mag back in. Okay. Let's aim for the middle one on the top step there. Not even close. Oops. Let's do a little bit lower here so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, jammed up on me again. Yeah, this thing does not work very good. Come on. Alright, let's try a different mag here. Put this one in here. As you can see, it's not as accurate at all as it says it's on. It's just a little toy piece of junk. Oh my God. See? What a piece of crap. Oh, shit. Kidding me? Oh, I actually hit a can that time. Oh, but it jammed again. No. I'll hit that can. Alright. Well, you see, I mean, it's a little, 16 bucks is a little much for that. You can't even hit targets very good with it. And that's what I was hoping, was to just set up a little target range like this and just pop cans, and you know, it's non-lethal, it doesn't hurt anything, but yeah, I was hoping for something a little bit better than that, so a little disappointed with this one. Thanks for watching.